we have cube root of 2. So we have x squared, y cubed, cube root of 2x minus 2x. You can't do cube root of 3 or cube root of y squared. So they just get tagged on. Plus the cube root of 64 is 8, or 4, my bad, sorry. Cube root of 2, can't do. Cube root of x to the 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so that's x squared. Can't do cube root of x. Cube root of y to the 9th. 9 divided by 3 is 3, so we get y cubed. And then we're left with the cube root of 2x. Cube root of 2x, cube root of 2x, x squared, y cubed, y cubed. Those are my like terms. So we're going to get 5 x squared, y cubed, cube root of 2x minus 2x, cube root of 3y squared. We're going to multiply binomials now. So we're going to treat them just like we would with variables, except sometimes we'll have to simplify. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times the square root of 5 is 3 square root of 5. Square root of 5 times 1 is square root of 5. And then square root of 5 times square root of 5, you can either just remember, because they both square root of 5, so the square roots go away, or you can do inside times inside, which is square root of 25. So I'm going to simplify 3 plus 3 square roots of 5 plus square root of 5 plus 5. And then I combine my like terms. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 3 square roots of 5 and 1 square root of 5 is 4 square roots of 5. I'm going to look at 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative square root of 3 is minus 2 square roots of 3. 2 times square root of 3 is plus 2 square roots of 3. And then square root of 3 times a minus square root of 3. You can either just remember the square roots cancel, so it means minus 3, or minus square root of 9. Simplify. Negative 2 square roots of 3 and positive 2 square roots of 3 becomes 0, and square root of 9 is 3, so 4 minus 3, which is 1. For 8, we have 5 plus 7, square root of 3, all of it squared. That squared means I got 2 of these. Please rewrite them. You will make less mistakes if you do that. Then we're going to distribute everything. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 square roots of 3 is plus 35 square roots of 3. Remember, I can just do outside times outside. We're going to get plus 35 square roots of 3 from the 5 times 7 square roots of 3, and then plus 49 square roots of 9. 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to combine whatever like terms we can and simplify. So we get 25 plus 70 square roots of 3 plus 49 times 3, which is going to give us 25 plus 70 square roots of 3 plus 147. And then 25 plus 147 is going to give us 172 plus 70 square roots of 3. Big number right there. Last little bit. Simplifying radicals with addition or subtraction in the denominator. An expression is completely simplified, and the radicand is not a fraction. So the stuff underneath is not a fraction. The root cannot be split. And the denominator does not contain any radicals. We can undo addition or subtraction in the denominator with the radicals by using the conjugates. Remember, a plus b and a minus b are conjugates. They're the same numbers but different sign in the middle. So for 9, it's 1 minus square root of 3 divided by 5 plus the square root of 3. The conjugate is going to be from the denominator, and it's going to be 5 minus square root of 3, because we have 5 plus square root of 3.